So first of all, our group will talk about a knowledge learning outcome of the food delivery service. About the description, this service provides a convenient platform for consumers to order a variety of food items from local restaurants or eateries and have them delivered to the doorstep. This service typically involves a digital platform or mobile application that acts as a marketplace connecting the customer, restaurant, and delivery drivers. Customers can browse through a range of menus, place the orders, and make payment through the platform. Restaurants receive orders and prepare the food, and delivery drivers pick up and deliver the orders to the customer. To explain and analyze the determinant of demand. The determinants of demand for food delivery services encompass a various factors such as prices, consumer preference, income levels, urbanization, and convenience. This demand for these services tends to increase with busy lifestyles, urbanization, and a desire for convenience. Factors such as promotion, discounts, and ease of ordering through user-friendly apps also influence the demand positively. First of all, about the prices. The price or cost of using a food delivery service is a significant determinant. As the brand increases, the quantity demanded usually decreases, assuming the other factors remain constant. Conversely, lower prices may stimulate higher demand. Consumers weigh the convenience and benefits of food delivery against the associated costs. Competitive pricing strategies are vital for attracting and retaining customers. About the consumer preferences and taste. Different consumers have varying preferences regarding food choices, cuisines, and dietary needs, and types of restaurant. These preferences significantly influence their demand for food delivery service. Therefore, food delivery platforms need to offer a wide array of restaurant options to diverse cuisines to cater to various preferences. Understanding and adapting to evolving consumer tastes are essential for success. Next, we move to the income levels of consumer. Income directly impacts a person's ability to afford food delivery service. High income level often lead to increased demand for convenient service. Food delivery platforms need to consider their target market and adapting pricing and marketing strategies accordingly. Offering a different pricing tier or subscription models can cater to a broader range of income groups. Urbanization and lifestyle trends. Urbanization and busy lifestyles are correlated with higher demand for food delivery due to time constraint and the desire for convenience. As urbanization continues, the demand for food delivery is likely to rise. Food delivery services should tailor their marketing efforts to urban areas and emphasize the convenient aspect. Promotion and discount. Special promotions and discount and offers can significantly influence consumer behavior, encouraging them to use food delivery services more frequently. Offering attractive deals and discounts can drive short-term spike in demand. However, sustainability requires striking a balance to ensure the profitability while maintaining the customer loyalty. Availability and quality in alternatives. The availability of alternative options such as dining out, cooking at home, or using other food delivery services affecting the demand for a particular food delivery platform. To remain competitive, food delivery platforms need to continuously improve their service quality, option, and pricing compared to the alternative, enticing more consumers to choose the services. Last but not least, health and safety concerns. Public health concern and safety perception can influence demand for food delivery, especially during health crises or disease outbreaks. For delivery services should emphasize and reassure customers about the hygiene practices and safety measures to mitigate the concern and maintain a demand during health-related challenges. Next, we move to the determinant of supply. The determinant of supply in food delivery services industry encompasses elements such as the number of participating restaurants, delivery fleet availability, logistics, technology infrastructure, and government regulation. The supply is influenced by partnership in which restaurant, efficiency in delivery logistics, and the ability to meet customer demands promptly and accurately. Determinant of supply in the food delivery service industry. No, I'm sorry. So the determinant of supply includes cost of inputs and technology. The cost of inputs, including labor, fuel, and technology and equipment, directly affects the cost of providing food delivery services. Advancement in technology can influence the operational efficiency and supply capability. Managing input costs is crucial for maintaining profitability. Innovation in technology can optimize the operation, reduce costs, and enhance the overall supply capacity. Restaurant partnership and network size. The number and quality of a partnership with restaurants significantly impact the supply of food delivery services. A broader network of partner restaurants increases the variety of food choices and available to consumers. Food delivery platforms need to continually expand and maintain strong relationships with a diverse range of restaurants to ensure a comprehensive menu and meet the varied demands of the consumer. Logistics and delivery infrastructure. The efficiency and capacity of delivery infrastructure, including the fleet of drivers and the logistic network, are crucial determinants of supply. Effective logistics ensure timely delivery to consumers. Investing in an efficient logistics system, optimizing the delivery routes, and managing a sufficient number of drivers are essential to meet a demand and enhance supply. About the government and regulation and policies. Regulation related to the food industry, transportation, labor law, and safety standards set by the government can affect the supply chain of food delivery services. Adhering to regulation is vital to avoid disruption. Food delivery platforms should stay updated with the regulatory changes to ensure the compliance to maintain a smooth supply chain. Next, we move to the weather and environmental factors. Weather conditions and environmental factors like natural disasters can disrupt the supply chain by affecting delivery operations and restaurant availability. Establishing the contingency plans and flexible operation can help mitigate the impact of adverse weather conditions or other unforeseen events on the supply of food delivery service. Economic factor and competition. Economic condition, market demand, and competition influence the supply dynamics. Economic downturn may affect the consumer spending and consequently demand for food delivery service. Food delivery platforms need to adapt to changing the economic condition and competition by offering a competitive price and promotion and the innovative service to maintain an increased supply. Last of all, the strategic alliance and partnership. Collaboration with other service provider, payment gateway, or technology partner can streamline operation and expand the supply capability of a food delivery service. Forming strategic alliance can help in accessing additional resources, optimizing operation, and ultimately increasing the capacity of food delivery service. We move to the identify and analyze the elasticity. The elasticity of food delivery services is affected by the price changes caused by elasticity with the alternative food consumption option, e.g. dining out, and income elasticity based on the consumer income levels. Generally, the demand for food delivery services is relatively price inelastic in the short run, as consumers prioritize convenience and are willing to pay a premium for it. Cross-price elasticity is influenced by the availability and affordability of dining out or cooking at home. Income elasticity may demonstrate an increase in demand as disposable income rise, allowing for more frequent use of food delivery service. First factor is elastic demand. If a small increase in the price of using the food delivery service leads to a significant decrease in the quantity demanded, demand is elastic. This might occur if there are many substitute options available, for example, dining out or cooking at home. If it's an inelastic demand, if a change in the price of the service result in a proportionally smaller change in the quantity demanded, the demand is inelastic. For example, if consumers highly value convenience and are willing to pay a premium for it, they may still use the service even if the price increases. Income elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand measures how the sensitive the quantity demanded of food delivery service is to change in consumer income. It helps to identify whether the service is a normal good, inferior good, or luxury good. A normal good, if an increase in the consumer income leads to a proportionally higher increase in the quantity demanded of food delivery services, it is considered as normal good. This suggests that food delivery is linked to the increased disposable income. Inferior good, if an increase in income results in a decrease in the quantity demanded, perhaps because consumers can afford dining out more, then it is an inferior good. Cross-pricing elasticity of demand. Cross-pricing elasticity of demand measure. I'm sorry, it's my bad. And that's all of the knowledge outcome. Next, we will move to the next part. Analyze and evaluate the economist problem.
Thank you for your presentation. We'll now move on to government policy. So basically, it's about what are the factors that will affect food delivery service. I'll be tackling government policies and then later more external factors. So about government policies, well, mostly it's about tax. So because it's a transportation company, the rule is that it will be done by deductible value added tax, and VAT will be at 10% for a food delivery service. But there has been some amendments. In 7 October 2023, it has been lowered to 8% according to this section. So it's been more profitable to invest in a food delivery service thanks to the lower tax. Yeah. Okay. Moving on. This is about major business factors that can affect the food delivery service. So first things first is the food prices. It's very, very important. So of course, if food prices is sky high, then it will be very bad. The system will not work because the system relies on convenience. It's like the food has to be cheap enough that people would want to just order instead of cooking. But if it's too expensive, they will just cook instead of convenience. So fluctuation in food prices can benefit or damage a food delivery service. And of course, food storages will undoubtedly devastate the food delivery service model. There is no way in a food crisis can this the delivery service could work. It is practically impossible. Now, moving on is about monopolies. So, as with all businesses, monopolies is just bad, and especially because it's a food service. If there is a monopoly in a food service, the food price will skew towards like the major inspirator of that monopoly. So if if we let monopolies exist in food delivery service, it will really damage the balance in society. And food is the main reason people revolt. So monopolies should be taken care of. So, for example, in Vietnam, even though Grab seems to be the dominant force, there is Gojek to balance out the market against Grab. And it's the same with other countries like Japan. There's Uber Eats and Wolt, which compete each other with different promotion, different prices, and all of that. So yeah, these are basically the major parts that play in food delivery service.
Let's talk about the financial and operational evaluation. The first thing is the cost structure of a food delivery company. Costs can be broadly categorized into fixed and variable expense. Fixed costs, like technology expense, remain constant regardless of order volume. Variable costs, such as cost of goods sold (COGS), on the other hand, fluctuate with changes in the number of orders. Understanding these cost components is crucial for financial stability and informed decision-making. Next is about the capital structure. The capital structure of a business, usually consisting equity and debt, is necessary for determining its financial risk and stability. Debt financing, commonly in the form of loans or bonds, provide lower interest rates and boost profits, but introduce fixed commitment and operational restriction. In contrast, equity financing allows for financial flexibility, but usually comes at a higher cost. When the business scales, their fixed costs remain consistent, providing a reliable base for their operations. Experience enables business to make more informed decisions while fostering specialization among employees to enhance their overall productivity. Despite these advantages, ensuring the consistent service quality becomes increasingly difficult with growth, which leads to overhead costs and inefficient utilization of resources. About the market structure, the food delivery industry in Vietnam is a monopolistic competition market, with many companies offering similar services. While some big players like GrabFood or ShopeeFood dominate the market, small companies always have to compete with each other and trying to differentiate themselves. This makes the market diverse, and the companies have to work hard to stand out and keep the customers. The food delivery service industry is heavily impacted by macroeconomic factors, which can have both positive and negative effects. Therefore, in order to guarantee seamless operations and mitigate difficulties, organizations must take care of evaluate these elements.